If you're considering FreshBooks time tracking for your business, there are 12 important things you need to know before making a purchase. While it's a popular choice for freelancers and small businesses, it's worth comparing to other accounting software options like QuickBooks and Xero to determine whether it fits your needs. First thing, FreshBooks is incredibly user-friendly. Unlike competitors that can be a bit more complex, FreshBooks offers a clean and intuitive interface that lets you get started right away, making it ideal for those who don't have much accounting experience. Next thing, it integrates well with other software. Whether you use PayPal, Stripe, or even Shopify, FreshBooks seamlessly connects with most major apps, which can save you time. However, some alternatives like QuickBooks have even more integration options, so if you need a broader range, you might want to look elsewhere. The third thing to consider is its time tracking feature itself. FreshBooks allows you to log time manually or use a timer, making it simple for freelancers to track billable hours. However, if you're comparing it to Xero or Toggle, you might find those tools offer more detailed reporting and advanced time tracking options. The fourth thing is the pricing structure. FreshBooks offers a tiered pricing plan based on the number of billable clients you have, starting with a basic plan that's affordable for beginners. But if you need unlimited clients or advanced features, you'll need to upgrade, which can become pricey, especially when compared to competitors like Wave, which is free. Next thing, FreshBooks offers automatic invoice creation. Once your time is logged, it can generate an invoice for you. This is especially useful for freelancers who need to send quick, professional invoices. However, while its invoicing is great, it may lack some of the advanced customization that QuickBooks users enjoy, such as detailed payment reminders or recurring invoices. The sixth thing is the mobile app. FreshBooks offers an app that works smoothly for time tracking, expense management, and invoice creation on the go. But if you need more robust functionality from your mobile app, alternatives like QuickBooks have more in-depth features available right from the palm of your hand. The seventh thing is the customer support. FreshBooks offers 24/7 support via email and phone, which is excellent. However, some users have reported longer wait times during peak hours, so if immediate assistance is critical for you, keep that in mind. Next, FreshBooks includes basic reporting features. It lets you track expenses and create simple financial reports. But for businesses that require more detailed analytics or advanced reporting tools, FreshBooks falls short compared to competitors like Xero, which offers more customizable reports. The ninth thing is its client management. You can store contact information, track projects, and keep track of client communication all within FreshBooks. However, if you need more complex project management features, you might find that alternatives like Zoho Books offer more versatility. The 10th thing is FreshBooks tax reporting. It offers basic tax reporting, but depending on your country or industry, you may need additional tools. QuickBooks, on the other hand, offers more comprehensive tax filing and preparation support, which could be a deal breaker for some businesses. The 11th thing to know is its automatic payment reminders. FreshBooks automatically sends payment reminders to clients, which helps you get paid faster. However, this feature may not be as customizable as you'd like if you need more flexibility in how reminders are sent, something you might find more accessible in QuickBooks. Lastly, the 12th thing to consider is that FreshBooks offers a 30-day free trial. While this allows you to test the software before committing, you may want to check if your specific business needs are fully met during that period. All in all, FreshBooks is a solid choice for freelancers and small businesses that need time tracking and basic accounting features in one. However, if you're looking for a solution with more advanced features and greater flexibility, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.